Hello, welcome to the Dandysoap Channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me out. I'm Elizabeth, and most of the time you see my hands and not my face. I made this feature video so that you know what to expect from this channel. Over here, there's a hodgepodge of many different interests that I have. It can be anything from holiday decor all the way down to a simple recipe or canning some vegetables. I just simply wanted to let you know who I am, what I'm about, and why I created this channel. I am a practicing herbalist and I own Dandelion Soap Herb Shop, which you will also find here on YouTube. This channel, the Dandysoap Channel, is designated more towards the home, enjoying where you live, whether you rent or you own. Love your home and love decorating your home and doing things for your family and with your family. Things that can save you money, organizing, budget friendly rather, and for beginners all the way to pros. I want to be able to share the creativity and things that are inspiring me on different social media channels and bringing them here, making them right on my little card table in my little office and sharing them with you. So you're liable to find anything here, anything from saving money to rustic, vintage, Victorian, farmhouse, anything like that, anything that I like and that inspires me. My home is not designated one certain theme or one certain color. There are things that I truly love and that I'm always going to do. And I'm going to do the crafts anyway. You'll find it here, and I do all kinds of different mediums. I love painting, woodwork, tooling, crocheting, knitting, sewing, and definitely anything having to do with glue gun and woodwork. Bear in mind that I designed this channel so that no matter whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or pro, you'll be able to follow it along. So if I ever get long-winded or you just want to get to the point, just fast forward through the video. It's that simple. I've made the playlist so it'd be easier to move around and maneuver in them, no matter what the holiday theme or season. And so I hope you guys enjoy it, look around, and let me know what you think. And I certainly appreciate your subscriptions and welcome. And thank you again for checking Elizabeth Morgan out here on the Dandysoap Channel. You guys have a wonderfully dandly, crafty day. Until the next DIY, this is Elizabeth. Over and out. Bye, guys.